Learn English to Gujarati, opinion, idea, and
ઈચ્છા,
with funny stories. Welcome to the word circus. Hi, you magnificent language adventurer. Today you will learn 8 powerful Gujarati words, and yes, at least one of them may be judged by a dramatic sandwich. Imagine you walk into a very serious meeting room. But instead of people, there is a cat, a sandwich, a wise grandmother, and one confused parrot. The cat shares in.
અભિપ્રાય,
The sandwich announces a bold.
વિચાર,
The grandmother offers a practical.
સૂચન,
And the parrot screams that a final
નિર્ણય,
must be made immediately. You look at 3 snacks and make a careful.
પસંદગી,
Then life teaches you in.
અનુભવ,
Your heart feels a warm.
લાગણી,
And secretly you make one little.
ઈચ્છા.
Congratulations, you have entered the vocabulary circus. Your learning goal today. You do not need to memorize everything at once. Just listen, repeat, smile a little, and let the words stick. Word 1. Opinion is.
અભિપ્રાય,
Say it like you are bravely joining a debate.
અભિપ્રાય,
Word 2. Idea is.
વિચાર,
This is your light bulb word.
વિચાર,
Word 3. Suggestion is.
સૂચન,
A gentle, helpful nudge.
સૂચન,
Word 4. Decision is.
નિર્ણય,
Firm, final, no more staring at the menu for 40 minutes.
નિર્ણય,
Word 5. Selection is.
પસંદગી,
The chosen option.
પસંદગી,
Word 6. Experience is.
અનુભવ,
Wisdom earned the hard way or the funny way.
અનુભવ,
Word 7. Feeling is.
લાગણી,
Hand on heart.
લાગણી,
Word 8. Wish is.
ઈચ્છા,
Birthday cake energy.
ઈચ્છા.
A ridiculous meeting. Now let us throw all the words into one small story. Very educational, very suspicious, very fun. At the town hall, the mayor asks, "What is your?"
અભિપ્રાય,
Question mark single quote. The cat stands up and says, "My."
અભિપ્રાય,
Is that fish should be free on Fridays. A pigeon flaps in through the window and says, "I have a."
વિચાર,
Let us build tiny umbrellas for everyone. The grandmother nods and gives a wise.
સૂચન,
Maybe first fix the roof. Everyone claps because that
સૂચન,
is actually useful. Then the mayor makes a.
નિર્ણય,
First the roof, then the umbrellas. From 10 roof colors, the town makes a.
પસંદગી,
And chooses blue. After the repair, everyone gains.
અનુભવ,
Because apparently never trust a pigeon with architecture. The people feel happy.
લાગણી,
As the rain stays outside. And that night, the mayor makes one quiet.
ઈચ્છા,
Please, no more animal committees. Mini dialogues you can steal. These are short and useful. Borrow them freely, like a good learner and a morally flexible actor. A. What is your opinion? B. My.
અભિપ્રાય,
Is different. A. I need a solution. B. I have an.
વિચાર,
A. Do you have a suggestion? B. Yes, my.
સૂચન,
Is to start early. A. Have you made a choice? B. Yes, my.
નિર્ણય,
Is final. A. Which one do you want? B. My.
પસંદગી,
Is the blue one. A. How did you solve it? B. My.
અનુભવ,
Helped me. A. Can you explain your feeling? B. This.
લાગણી,
Is hard to explain. A. What is your biggest wish? B. My biggest.
ઈચ્છા,
Is peace. Memory tricks that actually behave. Let us make the words unforgettable. Or at least harder to accidentally throw out of your brain. 4.
અભિપ્રાય,
Imagine a huge speech bubble over a crowd. Everyone has an opinion, but one cat thinks it is the moderator. 4.
વિચાર,
Picture a glowing light bulb wearing glasses and shouting, "I am a brilliant idea." 4.
सूचन,
See a helpful note on your door with one smart suggestion written on it. 4.
निर्णय,
Imagine standing at two roads and finally stomping one foot down to make a decision. 4.
पसंदगी,
See three shirts in a shop and your hand dramatically choosing one like a game show champion. 4.
अनुभव,
Imagine a backpack filling with lessons from life, including one lesson about not texting while carrying soup. 4.
लागणी,
Picture a glowing heart with soft music in the background. Yes, your brain loves drama. 4.
इच्छा,
Imagine blowing out birthday candles and sending a wish into the air like a tiny hopeful rocket. Quick quiz, no panic. You are ready. If you get something wrong, that is not failure. That is just premium quality.
अनुभव,
What is the Gujarati word for opinion?
अभिप्राय,
What is the Gujarati word for idea?
विचार,
What is the Gujarati word for suggestion?
सूचन,
What is the Gujarati word for decision?
निर्णय,
What is the Gujarati word for selection?
पसंदगी,
What is the Gujarati word for experience?
अनुभव,
What is the Gujarati word for feeling?
लागणी,
What is the Gujarati word for wish?
इच्छा,
One last challenge. Now you do the work, but in a fun way. I believe in you, even if the sandwich still has doubts. Say this, my opinion is different. In Gujarati, use.
अभिप्राय,
Say this, I have an idea. Use.
विचार,
Say this, that is a helpful suggestion. Use.
सूचन,
Say this, the decision is final. Use.
निर्णय,
Say this, your selection is excellent. Use.
पसंदगी,
Say this, experience teaches us a lot. Use.
अनुभव,
Say this feeling is strong. Use.
लागणी,
Say this, my biggest wish is peace. Use.
इच्छा,
Friendly goodbye. You did great today. Seriously, your brain deserves a tiny medal and maybe a snack. Today you practiced opinion,
अभिप्राय,
idea,
विचार,
suggestion,
सूचन,
decision,
निर्णय,
selection,
पसंदगी,
experience,
अनुभव,
feeling,
लागणी,
and wish.
इच्छा.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, repeat the words out loud, and come back tomorrow so these Gujarati words start feeling like old friends instead of mysterious guests. You have got this.